What if I told you that two babies born with almost the same genes could grow up to become completely different people? One becomes a successful doctor. The other struggles with addiction. One is calm and confident. The other suffers from anxiety and self-doubt. So what shape us? And here's the bigger question: if your personality, intelligence, habits, fears, and success are shaped by your environment, does that mean you can change who you are? Today, we're diving into one of the biggest debates in psychology: nature versus nurture. Welcome to Psyche Capsule 360, where we learn psychology from basics to advanced. Let's begin. Have you ever looked at someone and wondered, why is she naturally talented? Why is he so confident? Why am I shy? Why do some people become successful while others struggle? Why are siblings raised in the same house completely different? This question has existed for thousands of years. Are humans born with fixed characteristics? This debate is called nature versus nurture. Nature means everything we inherit biologically: genes, brain structure, hormones, physical characteristics, biological predispositions. Nurture means everything we experience: family, parenting, friends, education, culture, environment, life experiences. But which one controls us? Let's find out. Imagine two babies are born on the same day. Let's call them Arjun and Ravi. Both inherit genes that give them high intelligence. But their lives become very different. Arjun's environment: supportive parents, good education, emotional safety, encouragement, healthy lifestyle. Ravi's environment: poverty, family conflict, chronic stress, neglect. 20 years later, Arjun becomes a successful engineer. Ravi struggles with depression and unemployment. Now ask yourself, was this because of their genes, or because of their environment? The answer shocked psychologists. It turns out, both matter. Let's first examine nature. Scientists discovered that many things are influenced by genetics. Intelligence research on twins shows that intelligence is partly inherited. Personality: some children are naturally calm, shy, aggressive, adventurous even as babies. Mental disorders: conditions like depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, ADHD often show genetic influences. Physical abilities: athletic performance, metabolism, and even certain talents can have biological foundations. This led some scientists to believe your genes are your destiny. But then researchers discovered something surprising. Genes alone cannot explain everything. Consider language. A baby born anywhere in the world can learn any language. Why? Because the environment shapes the brain. Now think about confidence. Were you born confident, or did your experiences teach you confidence? Think about fears. Many fears are learned: fear of public speaking, fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of making mistakes. Even habits are heavily shaped by our environment. Why do some children become readers while others become addicted to screens? Because human beings learn from parents, teachers, friends, society, culture. Our environment literally rewires our brain. This process is called neuroplasticity. Your brain changes according to your experiences, which means you are not completely trapped by your biology. Psychologists wanted a clear answer, so they studied identical twins. Identical twins share nearly the same genes. Sometimes these twins were separated at birth and raised in completely different families. The results shocked scientists. Some similarities remained, but many differences appeared. The question changed forever. Imagine genes are the blueprint, and the environment is the builder. A blueprint alone cannot build a house. A builder without a blueprint has no plan. Your biology gives you possibilities. Your experiences decide your reality. Are we born this way? Yes. Are we shaped by our environment? Also yes. We are the result of both. Even if your past shaped you, your future can reshape you. Do you think your life was shaped more by nature or nurture? Subscribe to Psyche Capsule 360.